Welcome YouTube, it's your girl Nicki, and today we're doing something a little bit new.
And
So yeah, we're gonna be doing what's hot in fashion right now. So keep watching. Okay, so a few days ago, both Rihanna and Nicki Minaj posted photos in some Bottega Veneta heels, and I thought that was like super interesting. A lot of people were talking about it and saying that probably they're doing like an album or some collaboration. That's why they both posted in the same heels. I don't know if that's the case, but I wanted to give you guys the tea on these heels and just what I thought about them. So yeah, let's get into it.
Let's go. Let's go.
Alright, so let me see. Oh, okay, I already started it. Alright, so the Bottega Veneta heels. I kind of want to find it on the website. Where's the Bottega? Okay. Oh, okay. Find on the website. I'm just gonna show everything. Okay, great. Okay, so these are the Bottega Veneta stretch sandals. I thought they would have like a longer name, but it's like super simple, like stretch sandals. Like usually designer things, they have like some long descriptive names that are just like okay, you know, to find that exact thing you have to like copy and paste, but to just type in Bottega Veneta stretch sandals, that's super easy. So that's a plus. All right, so you can find them on the Bottega Veneta, we can't even pronounce it, Bottega Veneta website for $930. And honestly, I thought they would be more expensive. I don't know, I thought they would be like probably $3,000 or something, but $930, that's not bad. And usually when you order from like websites like this, it comes super fast, like super fast. Like it's like, I don't know, this stuff comes so quick. Don't ask her right now, but yeah, so yeah. All right, so let's get into the sandals and like how they look and all of that. All right, so for these sandals, they have 5 colors. They have green, yellow, red, black, and white, and we're gonna look at all of those. But before I even start, I found it so interesting that they only had these colors, and I was trying to do research to kind of see if they had like some history behind it, but I haven't found any history on it. I was doing my research, I didn't find any, but from what I'm seeing and the color scheme and the mesh of these, I think these are Jamaican inspired. I truly do. The black, green, yellow, and like red, bro, these are like Rastafarian, like Jamaica inspired, because in Jamaica you always see the guys wear like mesh merino, I don't yeah, if you know, I'm gonna show you guys a picture of what I'm talking about. You always see guys like wearing, oh, I'm too close. You always see guys like wearing clothes like that, and it's like these shoes are like, I think they're like a Jamaica inspired shoe. I really do. Like, that's huge because I don't see any information on it, and it's for me to come to that conclusion, I feel like that is like legendary. I don't know, because I was thinking about doing something like that myself with my own fashion brand that I will be starting in a few. But yeah, I was thinking about doing like something Jamaica inspired with this same concept. So to see them do it, I am really like at a loss for words. But okay, I'm over it, but still, that's amazing. All right, so we're gonna look at all the colors, but first we're gonna start with the white, since the white is already here. Okay, so for the white, you guys see it, it's like has like really not big, the mesh, it's like, it has like a good spacing, exactly like how these marinas are, yo. I'm telling you, exactly like how these marinas are. Like, they have such a big space. Like these guys marinas, like you literally seeing everything underneath the merino. It's just like, bro, this is amazing. Okay, so yeah, they have this on, and then you have it in white. Okay, so I like the white, but one thing about the white, especially in Rihanna's photo, the white isn't necessarily white. It says toil, I don't know, toil, colored. Oh, okay, it says the color is toil, not white. So I guess I lied. Toil, what is toil? I'm not really one of those girls that's big on colors. Toil, the color. What on? Toil, the color. What color is toil? I don't know. I'm not seeing any information on what toil is. I guess they made up the name of the color. I don't know. Sometimes I'll be seeing these designer brands with name of colors, and the color be like mud, and it's like, is that really a color, bro? Like, or is you just made a name? I honestly don't know at this point, but I'm gonna keep pushing. So the color is toil. At first I thought it was white, but it's more of a cream than a white, which I think is pretty interesting. And I feel like that kind of ties into the whole Jamaican theme, because it's not necessarily white, it's more so off like a chill vibe. I don't know, because white kind of signifies like purity, and it's like you don't really see that in the whole Jamaican concept. No, you don't. So like the cream is more of a chill white, you know what I'm saying? Like not really too clean, like pure, but you get the vibes, you know? So I thought that was super cool. Yeah, so that's all for that. Let's look at the black. Why does not click? Alright, so we're looking at the black, and I don't know, the black is kind of my least favorite. Not saying that it's not my favorite, because if you want to buy it for me, I will accept it. Thank you. But of all the colors I've looked at, the black is like, it's not really giving. Like I have black strappy heels, and I feel like if I had this, it wouldn't really be like an addition to my collection of shoes. It would just be like, oh, I have some more black shoes. You know what I'm saying? But the other colors are giving. Alright, so yeah, I think it's okay. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. Alright, let's look at the red. The red is giving. Like, let me stop. I'm extra bad. But like these red heels are so, like these are giving me vacation. Like I need to go on a vacation like yesterday. Like this is such vibes, bro. Such vibes. Energy. It give me the energy. Bro. Alright. So yeah. I really like these. I really do. Like for real. I love the red. I love the red. I love the red. Like this is not even like a Valentine type red vibe. This is more so just like a vacation vibe. Like this is giving me summer. This is giving me Jamaica. This is giving me, yes. This is so cute. Okay, let's look on the yellow. Oh, I should have been naming these colors for you guys, because they don't really call them yellow or whatever. But I don't think it really matters that day, because people are just gonna see what they see, right? Like if they call it the yellow, they call it the yellow egg yolk, not yellow. But yeah, man. But yeah, let me see. So I really like it. I really like the yellow. Alright, let me look at it. The yellow is nice. The yellow is nice. The yellow's not as loud as the red, obviously, because it's yellow, not red. But I really like it. I really like the yellow. I really like the yellow. I feel the yellow would go with so many outfits. Like, ooh, you see that with the purse? Don't give me ideas now. Don't you stop. Don't you stop. Don't you stop. Give me ideas. All right, are we going to the green? And they call the green. What do they call the green? They call the green grass, which is like cool. I'm going to go back and look at the names and see if I can like tie in some connection, you know? Yeah, alright, so the green. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. It's nice. The green is giving me vibes. I don't know, the green is kind of like the best. The red, the green, and okay, so if I was to like rank them just in order of shoe, like not even thinking about an outfit, just having shoes, looking at shoes, not even having it on your feet, the green would be the hottest one, no kizzy. The red would come second, then the yellow, then the white or cream or whatever, and then the black will come last. Like in order of hotness. That's just what it is. If you don't like it, bite it. Alright, so they call the green grass. The yellow is egg yolk. What was the red called? The red was called tomato. You see the interesting, and then what was the black called? The black was called black. So it was grass, egg yolk, tomato, black toil. Interesting. I don't really see the toil and the black having some connection with Jamaica because I don't even know what toil is. And then black is like, I mean, the black obviously is black people in Jamaica, duh. But the tomato and the egg yolk and the grass, like you see like the nature Rastaman vibes in that, or am I tripping? If I'm tripping, comment down below tripping. But if I'm not tripping, don't comment tripping. Bro, I am the corniest. The corniest you've ever seen. Alright, but yeah, I really love these heels. I'm obviously insert the pictures of Rihanna and Nicki Minaj. You guys probably already seen them, but here they are again. And yeah, I really think this was an interesting video. If you guys would like to see more videos like this of me doing more celebrity talk throughs and like really getting into the fashion and knit and breaking the of the fashion of celebrities, please leave a like down below, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video, and subscribe if you're new. Subscribe, you know that way. Subscribe, okay? But yeah, thanks for watching my video, guys.